Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new journal on the Journals application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. But new, if you want to create a new journal, go to the lower bar, click to the first icon, the pen and the book, and here you can find the new journal icon, the plus. Click that and you can select which journal do you want to create. You can select the new journal, quick note, simple journals, or import a PDF. Click the new journal button. You can add a name to your journal. You can find different covers, and you can set the page of the journals, and you can use it. If you finish, click the create new page and others. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.